Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to take last two numericals based on derivatives. Let us start. We have if y is equal to root x plus 1 upon root x minus 1, find dy by dx. A very easy question which can be solved by u by v rule. Let us start. Y is equal to root x plus 1 upon root x minus 1. Differentiating the above function with respect to x, will get dy by dx. Here v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v divided by v square. Next step, dy by dx is equal to root x minus 1. Here derivative of root x will give you 1 upon 2 root x plus 1, derivative will be 0 since it is a constant, minus root x plus 1, derivative of root x will give you 1 upon 2 root x, again derivative of constant will be 0, divided by root x minus 1 the whole square. Let us see the next step. Dy by dx is equal to root x minus 1 into 1 upon 2 root x minus root x plus 1 into 1 upon 2 root x upon v square, that is root x minus 1 the whole square. In the numerator we have two different terms having 1 upon 2 root x as a common part. So let us take that part as common. So dy by dx 1 upon 2 root x common, in the bracket we have root x minus 1 minus of root x plus 1 divided by root x minus 1 the whole square. Let us simplify the numerator. Dy by dx is equal to, we have root x minus 1 minus root x, minus into plus will give you minus 1 upon, here we have 2 root x into root x minus 1 the whole square. So in the numerator we have root x minus root x, and minus 1 will give you minus 2. Dy by dx is equal to minus 1 will give you minus 2 upon 2 root x into root x minus 1 the whole square. 2 will be cancelled and the final answer will be dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon root x into root x minus 1 the whole square. This is the derivative of the given function. Let us take the next numerical. In the last numerical we are going to see if y is equal to e raised to x into sin x into cos x, find dy by dx. Now this numerical is different from the previous sums since we have here three functions which are multiplied. So in this case we are going to use UVW rule. Let us see what it is. If y is equal to u into v into w, what is u, v and w? All the three functions are in terms of x. Then derivative of y with respect to x is written as, consider first two terms uv, then derivative of w dw by dx plus Take the next combination VW, derivative of U, the remaining part, plus the last combination UW, derivative of V, that is the remaining part. So this is called as UVW rule, only used when there are three functions which are multiplied. So y is equal to e raised to x into sin x into cos x. Considering first term as u, second term as v, and third term as w, we are going to solve this term using this formula. Differentiating the above function with respect to x. Derivative of y will give you dy by dx. Let us start arranging. U into v, that is e raised to x into sin x. Derivative of w, that is cos x. Plus we have vw. So sin x into cos x. Derivative of u, that is derivative of e raised to x. Plus we have u into w, e raised to x into cos x, derivative of v, that is sin x. Let us see the next step. Dy by dx is equal to e raised to x sin x. Derivative of cos x will give you minus sin x plus sin x into cos x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x cos x. Derivative of sin x will give you cos x. Next step, dy by dx is equal to e raised to x. Sin x into sin x will give you sin square x, and minus sign can be written at the start. Plus here we have e raised to x into sin x into cos x. Last we have e raised to x. Cos x into cos x will give you cos square x. If you notice, each term is having e raised to x. Taking e raised to x common, from the first part we have minus sin square x. From the second part we have sin x into cos x. And from the third part we have cos square x. This is the derivative of the given function. I hope you understood this video. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.